What's up, buds? Fly High FPV with Sloss Drone Derby and Emax. Look at all the prizes that Emax sent us. That's not one or two, that is 8 drones. Thank you so much, Emax. Look at them all. Look at this kit right here. A full starter kit with the Nano Scout. This thing is about 20 grams, another 9 grams for the battery. Lightweight analog ripper. Comes with a controller and goggles, everything you need to get started. But that's not all. What else? They even include a 6-way charger, cables you need, some basic tools, more props, more basic tools. Emax is the king of starter drone setups. Look, even the control, got all these simple instructions to get you started. Just next level, always the best. Thank you so much, Emax. Great for it. Oh, what's this? The Cinewhoop Mini? That's right, a full Cinewhoop. Add your own 03 air unit, and this thing is ready to rip too. What else? Oh, the Hawk Apex 5. This is a plug-and-play HDZero quad. HDZero already in it, ready to race. This thing is 1600 kV, ultra light screamer. Oh, there are going to be some really nice prizes on the race course this year. Thank you, Emax. Oh, but wait, all the Whoop prizes too? Oh, there are not 1, 2, 3, there's 5 of them. 5 Nano Hawks all set up, ready to go. This is a cool frame too, check it out. This one's also 20 grams, but it's got a carbon fiber frame, plastic ducts to go around it. Really, really nice piece of kit. And in typical fashion, they can include all the stuff you need to get cooking. So there's your charger, some props, even has some battery adapters that help you adapt for the different battery types, whether you got the old school PH or the BT 2.0 or the new. What's that one called, y'all? I can't even keep up with them all. Fantastic, though. Thank you so much, Emax. But wait, there's more. ELRS receivers. Check out the Aris Link ELRS receivers. These are both 2.4 gigahertz. Tiny little receivers. Fantastic. But wait, there's more. Check it out. 2 sets of motors. These ones are Eco 3's 2306 1900 kV, and then we've also got the Eco 3 2207 1900 kV. Check out these motors. Really, really nice Unibel design. Coils look nice and clean. Looks like a really good motor. Love them. Love them. Check out Emax USA, emaxusa.com to get all the Emax products. But come out to Sloss Drone Derby and win some of these. I mean, there's so many, we just got to give them away. Thank you, Emax.